Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIF's Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Academy English Brochure School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English literature class for class 1 students. Our today's topic, Unit 8, True, False and Fill the Blanks. Let's see. Class 1, Subject English Literature, Term Annual, Lecture 8, SW will be 7, Topic Unit 8, Fill in the Blanks, plus True, False. Teacher Ariful Islam, and this is my phone number and this is my messenger ID. So let's start the class. First read the story again so that we can do the fill in the gaps and true false very quickly. Unit 8, talking toy, the talking toy. Peter is in bed, he is ill. So Peter is in bed. He cannot get out of bed. Who cannot get out of bed? Peter. Ali is Peter's friend. So Ali is Peter's friend. He comes to see Peter. I don't like being ill, says Peter. Peter don't like being ill. I cannot get out to play. So who cannot get out to play? Peter. I have got something for you, says Ali. Look. He shows Peter a toy. Who is he? Here he is. Ali. It is a small robot. It looks like a boy. This is the picture. This is the robot. Peter sits up in bed and takes the toy from Ali. Thanks, Ali. You are welcome, says Ali. His name is Toto. He is very clever. So who is very clever? Toto is very clever. He can sing, he can walk, and he can even say hello. Say hello to Peter, Toto. Come on, Toto, says Ali. So they are playing. In this picture you can say they are playing with Toto. Ali presses some buttons on the toy. Hello, hello, says Toto. Oh, you are clever, laughs Peter. Okay? So, Unit 8, the talking toy, fill in the blanks. First one, Ali is Peter's dash. Let's go to the story again. In this story, you can see Ali is Peter's friend. Which word is missing? Friend is missing. So, Ali is Peter's friend. So, we will write here, friend. Okay? Number 2. Ali dash Peter a toy. Let's come again to the book. He shows Peter a toy. Here he is Ali. So Ali shows Peter a toy. So we will write here shows. S-H-O-W-S. Shows. Ali is 1. That's why we are putting S here. Ali shows Peter a toy. Peter sits up in. Let's go to the book again. Peter sits up in bed. So our answer is bed. Here bed is missing in this line, in this sentence. Peter sits up in bed. Which word is missing? Peter sits up in bed is missing. Okay. So we will go to true false. Ali cannot get out of bed. True or false? Let's go to the story again. Peter is in bed, he is ill, he cannot get out of bed. So here he is who? Peter. So Peter cannot get out of bed. In the true false, Ali cannot get out of bed. This is false because Peter cannot get out of bed. So number 2, Ali is Peter's friend. True or false? We know from the story. Come to the story again. Ali is Peter's friend. So this is true. Ali is Peter's friend. This is true. So Ali is Peter's friend. This is true. Number 3. Peter is very clever. Let's go to the book again. In this book we can see his name is Toto. He is very clever. So we know from the story, from the unit that the Toto is very clever. So Peter is very clever. This is false according to the story. Okay. So let's read again. Fill in the blanks. Ali is Peter's friend. Number 2. Ali shows Peter a toy. Number 3. Peter sits up in bed. True, false. Ali cannot get out of bed. This is false because we know from the story Peter cannot get out of bed. Number 2. Ali is Peter's friend. This is true. Number 3. Peter is very clever. False because from the story we know Toto is very clever. I am reading for the last time. Ali is Peter's friend. Ali shows Peter a toy. Number 3. Peter sits up in bed. True, false. Ali cannot get out of bed. False. We know Peter cannot get out of bed. Number 2. Ali is Peter's friend. This is true. Number 3. Peter is very clever. False because we know from the story Toto is very clever. Let's do the SW here. So your SW will be 7. Submit on Sunday. And your SW will be what? Unit 8. Fill in the blanks plus true false. Okay. So look, your SW will be lecture is 8 and SW will be 7. Submit on Sunday. Unit 8. Fill in the blanks and true false. Okay. Okay. So my dear students, do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SB and city mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies, and we are giving 2.2 mark each of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.